Entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship. Definition. Qualities of an entrepreneur. Management skills. Different types of businesses with reference to. Manufacturer. Primary, e.g. agricultural. Secondary, e.g. manufacturing. Tertiary, e.g. services. Definition. Entrepreneurship. An entrepreneur is someone who notices a need that people have and then sells a product or service that will satisfy this need. An entrepreneur is someone who can identify a business opportunity, has the courage to take the risk and can run a business. Qualities of an entrepreneur. Can start on his own, does not need anyone to encourage him/her. Get along well with most people. Is often a leader. Can take on responsibilities. Can organize well. Work hard, honest, sincere, energetic. Can make decisions. Is reliable. Stick to something that has been started until it is finished or finished. Has a lot of energy. Well planned. Management skills. Communication skills. Financial skills. Listening skills. Technical skills. Administrative skills. Planning skills. Organizational skills. Marketing skills. Negotiation skills. Different types of businesses with reference to. Primary, e.g. agricultural. Secondary, e.g. manufacturing. Tertiary, e.g. services. The different types of businesses in the primary agricultural economy. Subsistence farming. People who grow just enough food for the family are known as subsistence farmers because they only exist, or live, on the food one they grow. Cash crop farming is a business, when farmers produce more than their families need and they sell the surplus crop for cash. Commercial farming is a business. Commercial farming for a profit takes place when production takes place on a large scale. Crops are grown on larger areas and larger numbers of livestock are kept. Secondary industry, manufacturing. When secondary agricultural industries are established, agricultural products are required as raw materials. An immediate and stable demand for a permanent outlet for their products. More jobs will be available and more wealth will be created in the country. Grapes for wine, wine cellars. Fruit after canned fruit. Wool to wool clothes. Tertiary, e.g. services. Transport. Packaging. Marketing. Insurance. Financing. Entrepreneurship. Creating business within agriculture, business opportunity. Business survival strategy with reference to. Diversification. Production of unique product. Value addition, e.g. milk to cheese. Specialization. The occupation of a niche market. Creating business within agriculture, business opportunity. Any business opportunity depends on production factors required for production activities, e.g. entrepreneurship, capital, labor, materials, etc. For entrepreneurs to take advantage of opportunities in the business world, resources are needed. They will need the resources to start a business and also to run the business efficiently. If a business does not have enough resources to start it. Business creation in the primary agricultural industry. A person may have good skills in growing crops, but without tools, money and business skills, he or she will find it very difficult to start a farming business. Therefore, managers in the primary agricultural industry will need to select and combine resources efficiently in order to make a profit and to do business. Physical resources. It is important to plan the use of physical resources carefully as they may represent a large amount of capital. Examples of physical resources are fixed assets such as buildings, machinery, vehicles and equipment for crop production and value addition. Human resources, labor. Farming enterprises require the input of people to produce goods and/or provide services. Physical labor is the manual labor produced by workers in the production processes on the farm. Intellectual labor is the intellectual thinking of employees such as farm managers and administrative staff. Financial resources. This important resource includes money needed to pay for salaries, transportation, and other operating expenses of the enterprise. Capital goods 5005 machinery and technology are stupid, especially those imported. The farm manager must decide whether to invest more in machinery, which is capital intensive, or more in people, which is labor intensive. Business creation in the secondary agricultural industry. In the secondary production sector, raw materials from the primary sector are obtained, used to manufacture goods. Both natural resources and materials must be of desired qualities. However, costs must also be taken into account. E.g., secondary fruit industry. Input, raw material e.g. peach processing, juice output, fruit juice. Business survival strategy with reference to diversification. Production of unique product. Adding value e.g. milk to cheese. Specialization. Diversification. A farmer who has only one, or a few, production lines in the farming enterprise is subject to many possible disasters that occur in that one, or single, production line force. E.g., a farmer only has a broiler production unit and Newcastle disease wipes out half of the chicks. This can lead to bankruptcy. If the farmer has a diversified farming enterprise that, in addition to the broilers, also has a dairy, a pig and a beef cattle production units, the farmer will be much more protected or hedged against financial disasters. Production of unique product. There is always the possibility of discovering a product that no one has but that everyone wants, the so-called niche market opportunities. If the farmer discovers, through market research, that there is already a demand for a certain unique product, he/she can start with such a niche market opportunity. Use the poultry industry as an example. Broiler production is on a large scale in South Africa, which leaves few opportunities for the beginner. However, broiler production centers around the frozen product. The reason, under sub-zero temperatures, the shelf life of the frozen broiler is greatly extended. This enables long-distance distribution of broilers, under frozen conditions, to all corners of the country. Adding value e.g. milk to cheese. If the farmer produces a product that is generally available during the in-season of that product, it may lead to an oversupply of that product. This will result in lower prices for that product, which could lead to an unproductive undertaking. Although there is no or little demand for fresh peaches during the summer months, in season, there is a great demand for dried peaches during the winter months, out of season period. Specialization. By specializing in the agricultural industry, as in any other industry, is meant that with every product you produce, you have to be a specialist. Although the farmer will find it difficult to be an expert in all areas, in the case of a diversified farming enterprise, he/she can appoint experts. He/she can manage the experts in accordance with sound management principles, without being an expert himself. In the market you will find that the consumer will be on the lookout for the label of a well-known product. Establishing a niche market. Establishing a niche market requires certain steps. Identify the type of ills market he wants to serve. This can be the geographical area. Write down your goals with the business. Decide what resources, capital, land, labor, knowledge, special skills you need for the niche market enterprise. Determine the resources you are lacking and how you can compensate for them. Develop a business plan. Specific agricultural niche market opportunities in South Africa. International interest in indigenous South African products is growing. These include rooibos, aloes, and water lilies. The demand for the products in overseas markets is huge. i.e., South African farmer finds that nowadays it is more profitable to grow niche agricultural products due to the higher international producer prices. Local demand is also increasing. Farm evaluation. Trust of different businesses within the farm. Profitability of business, basic profit and loss calculations. Viability of business, basic calculations. Suitability of the farm in terms of the business plan, choice of industry.